Oh yeah, did I forget to tell you? Too Fast
What
TV.
a nice guy.
Hey.
I need the guys to get
I don't know if y'all heard.
Ladies, please.
Too Fast TV.
Tell him again, one more time. For
Too
good measure.
fast, baby.
TV.
They
Too fast.
motherfucking fast. You ain't even
You
know.
already know.
You already know. You know what I'm
Rocket,
saying?
gunny kid.
Pull
You
up.
already know. Too
Hey,
Fast
listen,
TV.
you need your
Get
core pimped out. That fast core, that riding. Then pull up Too Fast TV. You know what I'm saying? They got it popping.
What'd you say? If you can't slide, you can't drive. That's it. That's just the rule.
Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up. Bitch, I'm gassed up.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Look at that finesse. Never do that again.
I revved it because this car doesn't hold idle. I wasn't trying to rev it for no reason.
Wait, what is this? A Mazda 3?
I think so.
Mazda 3? Okay.
Alright, so far I did this bracket that holds the ABS and the brake line.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tuck that to the side. Make sure that there's nothing in the way of the knuckle. And then there's a bolt that goes through here that holds the shock into the knuckle that you have to remove. And then I have one more bolt here, or sorry, a nut for the sway bar link.
Okay.
And then the shock will be ready to remove.
I hope you got all that because I didn't get all that, but you know, you can hit replay. Boy, I'm not even ashy, man. Who's ashy, bro? You're dissing, dog. Yo, it's all the way live out here. They're about to shoot a music video. I think this is like, I don't even know, God knows how many we've shot. But this one's looking like the most lit. I mean,
I just heard the engine and it was Big dog Q Hap in the building. You already know my man Salim too fast. He too fast over here. You already know. Pull up. You know what I'm saying?
She said the God magnificent.
Eddie Hard Pong. The Trinidad sound system, you done know. Yeah, man.
The rocket.
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's your song called, bro? Tell them so they can find it right now.
Yo, Antidote 100. You know what I'm saying? Me and Too Fast in the motherfucking house. You already know.
Man got the antidote.
Got the
Don't know now,
Antidote
you know.
rocket 100. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, man. Man, falling into the truck, man.
Yo, hold on. Guess who pulled up to Too Fast, man? Lil Rocket. He pulled up Too Fast 100. Yeah.
Hey.
What's up, man? Say what's up, Too Fast.
Too fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Practice run and see what I'm gonna have. See me, I'm a retired bike man. I was in a coma April 1st, 2016. Back on it.
Jeez.
A few moments later.
Antidote, I'm the nigga with the antidote. Bitches want me, but I want the dough. Get the bag, then I gotta go. Let it blow, let it blow. With my dogs, you don't wanna smoke. Got the ball like it's chemical. Steady moving, call it medical.
Fast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't drive. It is what it is.